YouTube video about Wireshark. In this video, I will give you an overview of what Wireshark is, why is it important, and how you can use it. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer. It is used to capture and analyze network traffic, allowing you to troubleshoot network problems, examine security issues, and investigate suspicious activity. Wireshark is an open source tool, meaning it is free and available to everyone. It is easy to use and supports a wide range of protocols, making it powerful and useful tool. To use Wireshark, you will need to have some knowledge of the network protocols you analyze. You will also need to have some understanding of network security and network troubleshooting. Once you have the basics down, you can start using Wireshark to analyze network traffic. You can use it to identify problems such as slow network performance, malicious activity, or data leakage. In conclusion, Wireshark is an incredibly powerful and useful tool for analyzing network traffic. It is open source, easy to use, and support a wide range of protocols. So if you need to troubleshoot a network issue, investigate suspicious activity, or examine security issues, then Wireshark is the tool for you. Thank you for watching my YouTube video about Wireshark. I hope you found it useful and informative.